Hi everyone, this is Eric, and this video is on how to use honey for sleep. You might not think of raw honey as a natural sleep aid, but it's a very potent natural insomnia remedy. It's so potent that honey has become the main ingredient in most homemade drinks to help insomnia because it has so many sleep benefits. These benefits include fueling the liver all through the night, which keeps your body and mind from waking up suddenly. Honey will activate your production of melatonin and serotonin in your brain, along with releasing tryptophan in your brain. Serotonin is a brain chemical that promotes restful sleep, well being, and a feeling of fullness after a meal. When serotonin levels are low, people often experience depression, anxiety, insomnia, and the urge to overeat. The amino acid tryptophan is needed to produce serotonin in the body. An ancient Chinese saying calls for eating honey every night, and European folk healers have recommended drinking a cup of warm milk with a teaspoon of honey before bedtime since the Middle Ages. Another old-fashioned remedy is to take 2 teaspoons of cider vinegar with 2 teaspoons of honey in a glass of warm water before bedtime. Traditional Mexican healers have long prescribed a teaspoon of raw honey in a cup, té de manzanilla, or chamomile tea. Make sure you check out my other video on chamomile tea. When used before bedtime, honey ensures adequate liver glycogen stores for 8 hours of sleep. This prevents or limits the early morning release of two stress hormones, cortisol and adrenaline. It stabilizes blood sugar levels. It contributes to the release of melatonin, and that's the hormone required for both recovery and rebuilding of body tissues during rest. Melatonin also promotes the release of growth hormone, which governs all of recovery physiology. This is the key first step in recovery or restorative physiology that occurs overnight, which fully supports the theory that honey and sleep are linked. Click in the description below for a great resource. Thanks for watching. Make sure you share the video with someone else who you think needs it. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and comment below. Share any questions you have about the video in the comments below. And get your free natural sleeping guide at howtosleepbetternaturally.com. Make sure you subscribe to the channel right now and click the notification bell so you don't miss out.